they make it out to be. You up in here all tight with it, waiting for your pay lawyer, thinking you all wise, ain't you? No, see? That work when you some kind of criminal mastermind. When you ain't been seen running from the deed. When your own fucking running partner ain't in the next room, putting you in. Oh, yeah. Yeah. He's telling it like a little bitch. We even went to Mickey D's for him because he was so motherfucking helpful. 2 quarter-pounders, big fries, McDonald land cookies, Dr. Pepper. That's how your boy rolled, right?
All right, step out.
Where we going?
Break room. So you can enjoy that, huh?
All right, and I still ain't saying shit to y'all.
Yeah.
Marnell, what the fuck?
How many years you figure we've been doing this same shit?
20 at least.
Yeah. True. True. False. Load them up.
So this shit actually works, huh?
Hell yeah. Americans are stupid people by and large. We pretty much believe whatever we're told.
Right. So it can feel my heartbeat?
Pulse, yeah.
If Marnell say I had the gun, he lying.
The machine tells the tale, son.
We ready, Professor?
Yeah.
We'll start with an easy one. Is your name, in fact, Deshaun Fredericks?
Yeah?
True.
And do you reside, in fact, the 1200 block of Whittier Street in West Baltimore?
Yeah.
True.
And did you and Marnell shoot your boy Pookie down on Carey Street just like Marnell said you did?
Nah, no.
Lie. Lying motherfucker.
The machine is never wrong, son.
Fuck, man. Nigga can't never keep his damn mouth shut. I should've busted the cap and Pookie ass my own self. Left Marnell home and shit. He just a bitch is all.
Bigger the lie, the more they believe.
When you walk through the garden